Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
on Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the best stuff from all over the world, shipped to you all over the world from Melbourne in Australia. What do we got, Rubes?
We have a delivery from Poland.
We know what that means, don't we?
It means Germania.
It does.
We mentioned that to a few people and they go, no, isn't it Chile, it's Germany. But no, they're actually based in Poland.
They are.
But we love getting delivery from these guys. They do a really, really awesome job with some of their bars and coins. And they always know how to pack them and present them really, really well. So despite coming from the other side of the world, I have zero doubts that these will be immaculate, which is always nice to know.
It is. The problem is they pack them so well.
Well, come on. You want an unboxing that's just, one and done. No, we want to see your skills.
Yeah, I don't think they do.
But we've also got a bit of a new type in here because we've had some stuff from these guys before, but we've got one that we haven't seen before. So actually,
do we think this is it?
Well, we've got a few boxes, so we've got a few tries. That's my answer.
That's what I'm worried about.
We might have to do a cut and an open into a different box. What is that saying?
No, sorry, mate. They're kilo bars.
That's all right. Well, we got some more kilos in stuff,
shouldn't we?
Yeah, let's highlight it.
Have a look.
There's 5 in that box.
I love the way they're packaged.
Yeah.
Come here.
Hey.
And I'm not touching the bar
Because
they are shrink wrapped. Yeah. So you can see there, they just do such a good job. They're all serialised, stamped Germania mint, obviously. So these are LBMA registered.
Yep.
So they're one of the premium brands there, and you can see why. And they're over on the back, and Ruben will tell you more about it because he knows more about this because he did a video on it.
Nice little authenticity feature with the little hologram sticker there. So just designed to be one of those things that is annoying and hard to reproduce for anyone trying to rip off the brand. And yeah, it kind of makes you feel good inside that what you've purchased is actually indeed from Germania Mint. We of course cheat a little bit and test with our XRF to make sure that we've actually got silver.
Now I went for that one because it didn't have heavy load written on it. This one's got heavy load on it, so I'm wondering if maybe they stacked all those new 1 ounces into here.
Will be, I think, slightly ironic if the kilo bars are the ones without heavy load and the 1 ounces are the ones with heavy load. But,
It could just be that there's 100 ounce bars.
Correct. Or just lots and lots of kilos, but we shall see. We've also got a bit of a Star Wars decor still hanging around there.
Bit of a hangover from May the 4th.
That's it, the wild celebrations.
Oh dear, I actually accidentally clipped this one. So we'll open this one and see what's in it.
I was going to say, you caught on camera. What have we got? Let's have a look at the sticker.
Where is the sticker? Ooh!
He's found it.
He's found it.
1 ounce bars.
Ironic that the heavyweight bag.
Yep. Has the smallest size that they've done so far.
So I haven't seen these before, so I'm actually a little overexcited.
They don't do individual boxes per individual ounce. They do a bit of a box set.
It's a sliding box.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Now,
What did I say? Presentation. They know how to do it.
they certainly do. So there must be two
Yep.
levels of 10 because there's 20 in each. Now, I don't know if they're shrink wrapped or not. Glove, Ruben, glove.
Your kingdom for a glove.
That's the one. Beautiful. Thank you. So just in case they're not shrink wrapped, we will start off with a glove. I'm pretty sure they will be.
Let's give it a bit of a
Yes, they
closer
are.
look.
So I don't mind using my hand now. So as you can see, they look a little bit like just a shrunk down version of that. So it's a 1 kilo bar that got caught in the rain on the way over.
Yeah, I was zoomed in. There we go.
Yeah. So you can see there, it's just a miniature version of the kilo. And again, it has a nitty bitty cutie little hologram on the
sticker
back.
on there. Very nice.
So they are absolutely stunning.
I really like how they present in that box there.
Yeah. Does that mean you have to buy yourself a set of 20?
I think you do.
Yeah. I agree.
We will sell them individually, but I think you're...
Just the way it opens. It's
yeah.
just really nifty.
Yeah. I think it's absolutely possible. You know, kind of like, you know, buying a tube or something. It's nice to get a sealed tube where possible. Obviously, it's not always in the budget. There's been a lot of cool releases lately, and my my ability to convert all my fiat into silver is starting to wane. But yeah, I think definitely the picking up the box is the way to do it for these guys. Was there any other sizes in here that were that were newer, or are these restocks of ones we've had?
The rest of this should all be restocks. So
Awesome.
these are the 5 ounce.
Yep.
And I don't think we'll open the rest. We might even leave them because we've shown them all before.
I was going to say, I might pop a link up in the top right there to one of our previous unboxings from Germania. If you're interested in seeing some of the other sizes actually unboxed.
It just gives you a bit of an idea, those three. So you've got the big ones. We should have 100 ounce bars in as well, so slightly bigger than the kilos.
Let me arrange them
I believe
there.
we've got half kilos back in, 10 ounce, 5 ounce. Oh, there was 250 grammers as well, wasn't there?
I believe so, yeah.
So one of the sizes we didn't reorder. So one of them, I think we've still got some left over in stock. That's why we didn't reorder them. But
Yeah.
pretty much all the sizes, with the exception of possibly one, should be back in stock if you go to our website, and you should be able to see them there.
Awesome. I'll probably put a link to not just the specific ones from this video that we're highlighting, but also just the Germania, you know, selection kind of thing, so that people can see what we've got.
Look, beautiful bars, and they really are. Like, I don't think anyone beats Germania Mint on their presentation of their bars. They are fantastic. They are still a bullion bar though.
Yes.
So, you know, they're not proof, high relief and all that sort of stuff. They are still a bullion bar, but they are...
They just know how to pack them, and they know how to present them.
Yeah, they do. They're all shrink wrapped. They all come in this groovy packaging, and they are LBMA registered. So they're on the likes of, you know, the PAMP, you know, the top tier level bullion bars. You pay a little bit more for them, but you get that little bit better presentation and that surety of, you know, reputation and registration with the LBMA.
I think I asked this last time, and you might hate me for asking it again. Are we ever going to get the coins?
Yes.
Oi! He's committing.
Well, we placed an order within sometime this week. This week's been absolutely insane. Sometime in the last week, we actually placed and locked in an order for a selection of their coins. So
fantastic.
Give us about a month. These took longer to come through than we'd hoped because they got stopped at the border for an inordinate amount of time. So yeah.
That's right. Coins are simple and have no issues coming through. That's fine. I'm sure they'll be here soon as.
Yeah. Next question.
All right. Well, I might leave you with that. Thank you for that unboxing. We will see you next time.
Sounds good. See ya.